Hello friends, today we are going to see about banking, which is the second chapter in the 10th ICIC mathematics. In banking, we are going to see recurring deposit. It is a type of saving in which a specified amount is deposited every month for a fixed period of time. Terms used in RD, that is recurring deposit. P, principal. It is a fixed amount deposited every month. R, rate of interest. It is paid by the bank. N, number of month. Here the interest is calculated for every month. I, interest. The total interest calculated every month. MV, maturity value. The total amount along with the interest we receive after the fixed period of time. Now we are going to see formula. We all know simple interest is calculated with the formula I is equal to PRT by 100. We are going to use this formula with some changes. I is equal to P into R by 100. In simple interest, interest is calculated for every year, but in RD it is calculated for every month. So we need to convert month to year. 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 years into 1 by 12 into n of n plus 1 by 2. This n of n plus 1 by 2 is used to find the sum of n numbers. Here we use this formula to find the sum of n months. So our formula is I is equal to P into n of n plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Finally, we are using two formulas. One is the interest formula and another one is the maturity value. Maturity value is nothing but the sum of total fixed amount invested every month and the interest. We can substitute the formula of interest in the place of I. So our maturity value formula is P into n plus P into n of n plus 1 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. I hope you have understand the concept of banking. In my next video, I am going to solve some problems. So thanks for watching.